Do you really save costs when building a substandard structure? Well, let us look at the mix for a reinforced cement concrete of a one-story building like a duplex. I am going to show you the mix ratios commonly found in weak concrete that compromise the structural integrity of a building. I will also show you the standard design mix for a quality concrete that complies with EN 206 Eurocode 2 and BS 8500 British standard. These two standards are complementary and widely accepted across Europe and Africa, including Nigeria. So, let us see the cost savings in mixing a weak substandard concrete against a strong standard design concrete that complies with international building codes. The most common weak concrete mix across Nigerian building sites for one or two-story building is 1:5:5 by volume. To produce 1 cubic meter of concrete using this ratio, it consumes 202 kg of cement. A stronger version of it, though still substandard, is 1:4:4. This one consumes 247 kg of cement for 1 cubic meter of concrete. However, for a minimum concrete quality for reinforced cement concrete complying with BS 8500 and EN 206, you need an average of 280 kg of cement to produce 1 cubic meter of concrete. So, what do you actually save when you mix a weak concrete? The target is always to minimize the quantity of cement used. Now, for doing the weak 1:4:4, you save less than 1 bag of cement in each cubic meter. And for doing the very dangerous 1:5:5, common among WACs in Nigerian building sites, you do not save up to 2 bags of cement per cubic meter. Again, let us look at the characteristic compressive strength of these concrete formulations. The minimum required by local and international building standards for a reinforced cement concrete of 1 floor above the ground is 20 MPa. Both BS 8500, EN 206, and even IS 456 and ACI 318 recommend the same strength. Standard design mix gives a guaranteed 20 MPa, while the weak 1:4:4 and 1:5:5 produce 15 MPa and 10 MPa respectively. As you can see, for less than 2 bags of cement, half of the standard concrete strength is lost. This is not a wise saving. If you are planning on building a standard house with high durability, say 100 years or more, kindly contact iWork.